Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey of nuts from tree to table? These culinary delights not only add flavor to our meals, but also come with rich histories and meticulous harvesting processes. Let's explore the fascinating stories of almonds, cashews, macadamia nuts, pecans, pistachios, and walnuts in detail. Almonds begin their journey in the beautiful orchards of California, where thousands of trees flourish. During the harvest season, when the almonds ripen, powerful shaking machines come into play. These machines vibrate the trees, causing the ripe almonds to fall onto specially designed catchment systems below. This method is not only efficient, but also minimizes damage to both the trees and the delicate nuts. Once the almonds fall, state-of-the-art sweeping machines sweep through the orchard, gathering the fallen nuts with incredible efficiency. This collection phase is crucial, as it sets the stage for the entire processing journey. After collection, the harvested almonds are transported to processing facilities using specially designed vehicles that protect the quality of the nuts during transit. Inside the processing facility, almonds undergo a series of steps to ensure consistency. Specialized sieves separate the nuts by size, while advanced branch removal technology eliminates any debris, upholding the reputation of the almond industry. The scale of production in these state-of-the-art facilities is impressive, contributing to an overall annual output of 2 million tons of premium almonds. The final stage of the almond journey is packaging. Automated filling systems ensure that almonds are packaged quickly and efficiently. There are multiple package size options available, catering to various consumer needs. The packaging process is crucial for preserving the quality and extending the shelf life of these nutritious nuts. Almonds are not just delicious, they are also packed with nutrients. They contain heart-healthy fats, protein, vitamin E, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a popular choice for health-conscious consumers. Their unique flavor and crunchy texture make them a favorite ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. Cashews thrive in tropical climates, primarily found in Brazil, India, and Vietnam. These trees flourish in sandy, well-drained soils and benefit from plenty of sunlight and warmth. The cashew tree, scientifically known as Anacardium occidentale, is remarkably hardy and can withstand periods of drought, making it an invaluable crop in water-scarce regions. The harvesting season for cashews typically spans from February to June, depending on the region. This busy period requires farmers to rely on manual techniques to gather the cashew apples and nuts. Harvesting involves climbing the trees and carefully picking the apples while detaching the nuts. The cashew apple, sweet and juicy, is often overlooked but is edible and has its own culinary uses. Once harvested, the nuts undergo a drying process. Farmers spread the nuts out in the sun to reduce moisture content and enhance flavor. This step is vital as it prepares the nuts for subsequent processing stages and helps prevent mold. After drying, the cashew nuts move on to processing, requiring skilled labor to ensure safety and quality. The nuts are first roasted to remove the toxic shell, which contains a harmful substance called urushiol. Workers handle the shells carefully, often wearing protective gear. Once shelled, the cashews are sorted by size and quality, which is essential for maintaining high standards. After sorting, the cashews are roasted again to enhance their rich flavor, making them a delightful addition to various dishes. Packaging is the final step in the processing journey. Once packaged, cashews are ready for distribution to markets worldwide, enjoyed in countless forms, from snacks to ingredients, in both sweet and savory dishes. Macadamia nuts originated in Australia, discovered by European settlers in the mid-19th century. The indigenous Aboriginal Australians recognized their nutritional value and unique flavor, enjoying these nuts long before their global popularity. In 1857, botanist Ferdinand von Mueller named the nut after his friend, Dr. John Macadam, marking the beginning of the macadamia's journey. These nuts are cultivated primarily in subtropical regions, where they flourish in well-drained, fertile soils. Macadamia trees require careful management, including proper spacing to ensure optimal sunlight and airflow, which are vital for preventing diseases. The trees begin to bear fruit around 5 to 7 years after planting, with full production typically reached by 10 to 15 years. During this time, growers monitor for pests and diseases, utilizing integrated pest management techniques to protect the trees and ensure a healthy yield. The unique flavor and texture of macadamia nuts make them a valuable crop, sought after for culinary uses and health benefits alike. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in agriculture, and many farmers are adopting sustainable practices, such as using organic fertilizers and implementing crop rotation to maintain soil health. When it comes to harvesting macadamia nuts, modern technology plays a crucial role. Farmers use advanced machine shakers to efficiently harvest these nuts. These machines gently shake the macadamia trees, causing the ripe nuts to fall to the ground. This method is effective and significantly reduces labor compared to traditional hand picking. After harvesting, the nuts undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any debris or dirt. They are then hulled, a critical step that prepares the nuts for further processing. Special machinery cracks the hard outer shell without damaging the delicate nut inside, as even a small imperfection can affect quality. After hulling, the macadamia nuts are sorted based on size and quality, ensuring that only the best nuts reach consumers. Once sorted, the nuts are roasted to enhance their flavor and texture. Roasting can be done in various ways depending on the desired outcome, with some producers opting for dry roasting for a crisp texture, while others may use oil roasting to enrich the nut's flavor. After cooling, the nuts are packaged in vacuum-sealed bags or airtight containers to maintain freshness. Pecans are beloved for their rich, buttery flavor and versatility in cooking. Native to North America, pecan trees thrive in warm climates, particularly in Georgia, Texas, and New Mexico. They prefer well-drained, fertile soils and require a chilling period during winter for proper nut production. Like almonds and walnuts, pecan trees take several years to mature, typically about 5 to 10 years before they begin producing nuts. Farmers carefully manage their orchards, providing adequate water and nutrients while protecting against pests and diseases. Sustainable practices, such as crop rotation and integrated pest management, are becoming more common among pecan growers, helping maintain soil health and reduce environmental impact. The pecan harvest season occurs in late autumn, usually from late September to early November. As the nuts ripen, their outer husks begin to split, indicating they are ready for harvest. Farmers use mechanical shakers to gently shake the trees, causing the pecans to fall. After harvesting, the nuts are allowed to dry, which is crucial for reducing moisture content and preventing spoilage. Once dried, pecans are transported to processing facilities. The first step involves removing the outer husks using mechanical equipment that strips away the husk without damaging the nut. The almonds are shelled using machines designed to crack the hard shell and reveal the delicious nut inside. Quality control during this phase ensures the nuts remain intact and of high quality. After shelling, pecans are sorted by size and quality using advanced sorting technology, including optical sensors that identify and remove defective nuts or foreign materials. The best quality pecans are packaged for sale, while lower quality nuts may be repurposed. Pecans can be further processed into various products, including chopped, caramelized, or roasted nuts, and are used in a wide range of culinary applications. In summary, the journey of almonds, cashews, macadamia nuts, pecans from tree to table is a remarkable blend of tradition and innovation. Each nut has its unique cultivation and harvesting processes, reflecting the dedication of farmers and the importance of sustainable practices. As you enjoy these delicious and nutritious nuts, take a moment to appreciate the labor and craftsmanship that bring them to your kitchen, enriching our culinary experiences with their diverse flavors and textures.